Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about the Edel Finance token. Ticker symbol is EDEL. Now this is a very popular token on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. They're trending #1 right now in the Base section on DEX Screener. They're up 22% today with a 24-hour trade volume of $2 million. We're going to go over the information on the Edel Finance token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol EDEL, and that's also the name of the token. They have 3,053 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply, 1 billion tokens. You can find it on BaseScan. The chart's going to be on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Token pair was created on Aerodrome 5 days, 20 hours ago, so it's a fairly new token here. So it says, Edel is the global lending network for tokenized stocks. Now, I've done some shorts on the tokenized stocks. You can get a lot of them on the referral codes in the corner of the screen there. MEXC Global has the Ondo Finance tokenized stocks. They have, L Bank has them as well, along with the X stocks. So these are all versions of tokenized stocks. So this is the lending network for tokenized stocks, the next generation in securities lending infrastructure, transparent, efficient, and built to scale. Now, they have a webpage, Twitter, Telegram, all linked on DEX Screener. If you go to the webpage, you could also find a full document section, even more links over there as well. Now, there's 4 different liquidity providers for Aerodrome, and they have a liquidity pool of $1.5 million, and 98.92% of that total liquidity is locked, and there is a UNCX link to verify this on DEX Screener. Now, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of these wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Base. Now, you could fund your wallet with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use for that in the description box down there. Fund your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Aerodrome, and then simply use the contract address that you could find on their BaseScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener chart, webpage, etc. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You would then trade your Base for this token. You will not have to set slippage because it says 0% buy and sell tax. And you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees though. Now, you could also use MEXC Global's DEX Plus. There could be other pools like on Uniswap, besides Aerodrome or other places. And so what MEXC does, if you connect your wallet to MEXC's DEX Plus, you put in the contract and address into there, it'll search all the DEXs to find you the best possible price. So that's a cool feature of MEXC there. Now, I'm going to put Edel's Finance's Twitter, their X in the corner of the screen there, at Edel DOT Finance on X, gold verified checkmark, 772 posts, full link tree there. It's going to take you anywhere you need to go, 5,500 followers on there. So what is this project all about here? It says Edel is the autonomous revenue engine for tokenized equities. Purpose built for smart contracts that originate, price, and settle securities lending without intermediaries. Wall Street pedigree meets decentralized finance instincts engineered for institutions, permissionless for everyone. The coordination layer for Wall Street 2.0, trusted by desks, loved by crypto funds. They have on-chain prime brokers, so smart contracts originate and match security loans, enforcing collateral buffers the moment a wallet borrows. Liquidity flywheel, so reclaim securities, lending, spreads, and streams it into liquidity providers in real time, no opaque dealer rake, and always on vaults, so global issuer agnostic money markets for tokenized equities, spin up, access, and compose 24/7. Why it matters? Well, there's permissionless access, so wallets finally tap securities lending cash flow without surrendering ownership. Stake tokenized equities to capture protocol cash flow while assets stay in your custody. Borrow instantly against portfolios with transparent health factors. On-chain pricing via dynamic utilization curves, no hidden desk spread. And configurable controls let securities and funds manage risk from first principles. They also have the execution edge, so desks and crypto funds gain real-time collateral velocity and composable yield. So loop and deploy delta neutral basis or short cover strategies automatically or atomically. They have atomic collateral mobility, so clear settlement, drag, and fail risk. Block by block yield streams to wallets and composes across DeFi. And audited risk modules trigger liquidations and safeguards on-chain, zero desk intervention. And lastly, they also have aligned markets. So neutral infrastructure distributes upside to participants creating it. Real supply meets real borrow to tighten global equity financing markets. Liquidity depth compounds as issuers list and funds deploy. Protocol economics stay neutral. They have a shared upside, so lets participants, not intermediaries, capture the next $10 billion plus in securities lending revenue. And transparent telemetry publishes utilization and yield data to every market sector. Now, this is the Fair Launch Protocol, bringing rent to on stocks home. And the token here, there is a overview in tokenomics. They have the protocol overview, the basics, borrowing, supply and earn, portfolio strategies, all sorts of stuff on their docs. You can check it out at docs.edel.finance. Now, this token right now has a $24.9 million market cap and a $52 million valuation. Token price right now is about 5.19 cents per token. Still trending #1 right now on Dex Screener. Go check this token out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.